For the voice detection process, we need to recognize our voice and convert it from voice to string. Then we will compare the final result as a string with our word we want to do something. For example, in here we will say hello, and the converter will convert it to the hello as a string variable. Then we will check if we have any order for word hello. We will do a specific function for here. Okay, let's go ahead with the implement the voice detection in our project. For this work, I using the Android Ultimate plugin. You can find and buy it inside of the asset store. After install it inside of your project, you need to go inside and here speech TTS, speech to text. Okay, and go to the prefabs, and in here you have the prefab is called speech recognizer canvas.prefab. Drag and drop inside of your scene. You will see it is the UI, and it has a specific UI for itself. And in here we have a speech recognizer demo script. It is the main system of this voice detection. We open it. Okay, now in here you can access the all of parameters and all of functions for voice detection. It is about 361 lines, but very simple and very clear. Special thanks to them. Okay, we added some variables to customize this for ourselves. I added this one, number of results and door and room light. The default system of the voice detection is working only when you press on this button, start listening, but it is not useful for us because we need it all the time, because we need to talk to it. So we need to do something small change in these functions, and we say okay, try to listen all the time, but after minimum rate. For example, every 5 seconds, every 2 seconds, every 3 seconds, try to listen to, then try to start the process of the voice detect. Okay, in here I added in the void start process, and in the start process animator I said okay, after a number of result plus 0.1 try to start listening. That is that function for the listening the voice, and try to change to the text, convert to the text. We say it is the default of it. Change to the text, voice to the text, and you need to add this option, only this one, to the this script. And also in the down, when we search it, I added this one in this part of function, in the on results function. You can see that a string, that this function will change your voice to the string. It will save in here, and it's called result.text. What to say, and result.text. In here I said okay, if the result.text contains open the door or open the door with the capital letters, or open door and do something. For example, open the door, and for the animation, set bool animation. And in here, close the door, and close the door, close door, and close door with the small letters and capital letters. And in here I set light on with the capital letters, lights on, and light off, lights off with the capital letters and small letters. I said room light set active true or room light set active false. Okay, let's save and go to the Unity editor. I don't want to add the animator and make the door, and we let it blank. And also we don't need to use these UIs. They are not useful for our project. And in here I adding the new light here, point light. I putting here, and I say the rain, the color, the magenta. Okay, and switch reconnaissance, add the point light to here. Okay, that's it. And check off it. So in our test, not in editor, if you have microphone in your editor, you can test it in editor, but I propose to test it in your phone to be sure it is okay. When you say light on or lights on, the point light will be active, and when you say lights off or light off, the point light will be false. Okay, let's do test inside of our APK. Okay, we are in the app. Make sure the microphone permission is on in the settings of the APK in your mobile phone. Then try to test it. Okay, let's do test. Lights on. All right. Lights off. Okay, it works well.